na kumbaga the ball is in the court of the senators, hindi po ba? Unang-una, had it not been yung eleksyon, no, na mga kampanya, magkakaroon ng pagpapalit ng mga senador, what does the Constitution say? At ano po ba dapat yung magiging kalakaran, yung procedure, had it not been na itong ganito yung dinatnan ng ganitong timing itong impeachment complaint na ito?
Ang nakalagay sa atin sa Ligang Batas is the impeachment complaint must be transmitted, no, to the Senate. Pero wala namang sinasabi yung Constitution natin anong gagawin ng Senado specifically. So that is now in the hands of the Senate, gaya nga na sinabi mo, which means ang mag-govern ngayon is yung rules nila
that they will formulate.
Well, they already have a current set of rules for impeachment na they've applied before, no?
Okay.
Pero according to other lawyers and also from my experience, may tendency na ang Senado baguhin yung rules or revise yung rules depende kung sino yung ini-impeach, no? So yung rules ngayon that was used nung panahon ni Justice Corona when he was impeached, they can still use that, of course, but they can also revise it, which they will probably do, no? So meron silang rules ngayon, but right now hindi natin alam if they will apply this, no, or will revise it.
So, Attorney Michael, what is the more prudent course of action? Kasi parang nangyari, na-dribble ng matagal sa Kongreso, no? Parang December pa, may mga naghain na, tapos sinasabi, let's wait for the second, let's wait for the third, let's wait for the fourth. Then finally, it happened yesterday. And then photo finish, no? Nahatid na po sa Senado. Do you think it's more prudent now for the Senate to also dribble the ball and then just wait for 20th Congress, or should they act on it immediately?
That's a tricky question, kasi I don't think they can act on it quickly in the way na ginawa nung House, no? Kasi even yung House na yung ginawa ng House is very questionable, no? It raises certain legal and constitutional questions, no? So yung Senado, I would say, kahit siguro gusto nilang to do something about it, talagang naipit na sila eh. Naipit na sila dun ng schedule nila, ng calendar nila. They would have done something extraordinary kung sabihin nila na, sige, iset aside natin yung calendar at ituloy natin into an impeachment court. So parang natali na rin sila in the sense na they have no choice, no, but to just proceed as they have scheduled their calendar.
Let's get together. Sunday 25. Sunday 25.